Hey friends, welcome back to John Drinks. Today we are going to be making the Midnight Bandit. Now the Midnight Bandit is a drink that is made by a fellow YouTuber. His channel name is Gnomes Tavern. He's definitely a really fun guy. A link will be in the description if you want to go sub to his channel and check him out. I recently bought his online book. It's a couple bucks. It has a small handful of recipes that are all originally made by him, and I wanted to take a recipe straight out of the book and bring it to life today. So this drink is called the Midnight Bandit. You're gonna need some cream liqueur. Gonna be going with Bailey's. Some coffee liqueur. Going with Kahlua. Some Irish whiskey. Gonna go with good old Jameson. And some chocolate bitters. I got cocoa bitters. I think that's close enough. And the first thing you're going to do is you are going to need to get a rocks glass, and you're gonna have to add some cream liqueur and then put it in the freezer slanted. I did this ahead of time because it takes a couple hours for it to freeze. It was a little tricky, but I got it balanced, so we're gonna come back to this in a couple hours. Now the recipe actually doesn't have measurements, so I assume you're just gonna add this however you want it. If you want it more sweet, you can do more Kahlua. If you want it more proofy and straightforward, you can use more Jameson. I'm going to go with 1.5 ounces of Kahlua. And after that, I'm going to do 1.5 ounces of Jameson. We're gonna do 3 dashes of cocoa bitters. We're gonna add our ice and give that a stir. And then after we're done stirring, we're gonna strain that into our glass. Okay, let's give this drink a try. That is a very good sipper. Whiskey and coffee liqueur goes pretty well together. Especially with the Irish whiskey, because Irish whiskeys are traditionally a lot more smoother. Appeal-wise, this is a 10 out of 10. Like, you don't really see any other cocktails that have like this frozen slant with two different things going on. And the very nice thing about this drink is as you sip it, the cream liqueur is going to melt more, and as you get through the drink and as time passes, the drink is going to evolve really nicely. It's going to become creamier, sweeter, and it's going to finish off like a dessert. So it's going to start off as a strong sipper, which is still pretty sweet, and it's going to finish off as like a creamy goodness dessert. Cream liqueur already has a alcohol content, so it's not frozen solid. Like, you can definitely see it's already starting to melt and evolve real quick. Anyways, that is the Midnight Bandit, brought to you by Gnomes Tavern. Definitely go check out his channel, maybe even check out his book too. Links will be in the description. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know if there's anything you want to see on this channel next. And until next time, cheers.